Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today in this video, we are going to press our magnets right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to press our magnets that we have. We have square and we have a round also. Today we are going to press the square with rounded corners.
So there are two pieces. You have your aluminum inset and then you have the actual magnet. We're going to remove the liner here. We use our template online. We're going to match it up, and there's a good bleed on here. And then tape at the corners. And then we're going to press it image side up. And today we're pressing at 400 degrees, 45 seconds with medium pressure.
So like Meredith did say, we do have instructions online and templates online. So for the template, it does come with your bleed in your item size, so it does give you a little bit of extra bleed. These are perfect for, of course, the fridge, but they're perfect for baby shower announcements like we're doing today, bridal shower announcements, any invitations, pictures of kids, family members, pets. Yeah, that's a good one. We love our pets. So anything you can imagine can go on magnets. So it's a great gift, great for just yourself to put on the fridge.
All right. And then using my gloves, we will remove the image immediately. There we go. Let it cool for a few seconds. And then remove the protective covering over your adhesive. And once it's cool, I like to use the lip around there just to get placement correct. And there you go.
So now you have one personalized magnet. So again, you can do any design on magnets. They're the perfect gift. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. If you have comments or questions, comment below.
See you next time.